equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 27. X square అంటే 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. X cube అంటే 1 square, 1 cube అంటే 1, 2 cube అంటే 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. X power 4, 1 power 4 అంటే 1, 2 power 4 16, 3 power 4 27, 81, 4 power 4 256. X into y, 1 into 6, 6. 2 into x into y, 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 11, 22. 3 into 18, 54. 4 into 27, 108. X square into y, 1 into 6, 6. 11 into 4, 44. 18 into 9, 162. 27 into 16, 430. X and the total just sigma x equal to 10. Y and the total just sigma y equal to 62. X square total just 30. X cube total just 100. X power 4 total just 356. X into y just 190. X square into y and 140. Let y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Normal form వచ్చి sigma y equal to a power an plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Sigma x y equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square plus c into sigma x cube. Sigma x square y equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x power 4. Let sigma y equal to 62. N equal to total number of medals 4 plus sigma x equal to 10. Sigma x square equal to 30. Sigma x into y equal to 190. Sigma x equal to 10. Sigma x square equal to 30. Sigma x cube equal to 100. Sigma x square into y equal to 144. Sigma x square equal to 30. Sigma x cube equal to 100. Sigma x power 4 equal to 354. And then 4 and 5. 10 to multiply करते 600. 20 equal to 10 into 40. 10 into 4 equal to 40. 10 into 10 equal to 100. 30 into 10 equal to 300. Equation 5 4 to multiplication करते 190 into 4 equal to 760 equal to 10 into 4 40. 30 into 4 120. 40 into 4 400. Second smart minus minus 140 equal to a cancel 100 minus 120 minus 23 minus 100c 516. Equation 5 is 0 multiplication చేస్తే 570 equal to 30a plus 90b plus 300c. 30a cancel. 90 minus 100b equal to minus 10b. 300 minus 364 equal to minus 7 and 8. Minus 20b minus 10. 100c equal to minus 140. Equation 8 ni 2 to multiplication చేస్తే minus 20b minus 108c equal to minus 148. bb cancel. Minus 100c plus 100c equal to 8. Minus 140 plus 148 equal to 8. 8 cancel c equal to 1. This is equation 8 to substitute చేస్తే minus 10b minus 54c equal to minus 74. c equal to 1 minus 10b minus 54 cancel plus 54. Minus 10b equal to minus 20. Minus 10 minus 20 cancel b equal to 20. Equation 4. 62 equal to 4a plus 10b plus 30c. b value c value equation 4 లో substitute చేస్తాం. 62 equal to 4a plus b value 2, c value 1. 10 into 1 2 20. 3 into 1 30 into 1 30. 4 8 వస్తే మైనస్ 4a ప్లస్ 62 వస్తే మైనస్ 62 మైనస్ 4a ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 12 a ఈక్వల్ టు 3 y ఈక్వల్ టు a ప్లస్ b ప్లస్ c x స్క్వేర్ a ఈక్వల్ టు 3 b ఈక్వల్ టు 2 c ఈక్వల్ టు 1